Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. This week we'll be talking about the line of fire, staying clear of equipment and loads. On a job site, things are always moving, equipment rolling, loads swinging, trucks backing, and tools firing. And anytime something moves, you have a hazard. It's predictable, it's mechanical, and it's deadly if you're in the wrong place. That's why today's message is simple. If it moves, it can hurt you, and the most dangerous place you can stand is in the line of fire. The line of fire is any place where a tool, machine, load, or piece of material can move and hit you. If you're in the path, even for a second, you are one mistake away from a life-changing injury. Here's a real job site story. A laborer was helping guide a steel beam being moved by a telehandler. The operator was experienced, careful, and paying attention. But as he backed up, the beam swung slightly, only a few inches. The laborer stepped in to grab a tagline. He stepped directly into the line of fire. The beam pinned his leg against the column. The operator stopped immediately, but the damage was done. Multiple fractures and a permanent limp. He didn't get hit because someone was reckless. He got hit because he stepped into the line of fire, the one place the beam can move, and it did. That's how fast it happens. Here's some areas where line of fire hazards hide. Number 1, equipment travel paths. Loaders, forklifts, skid steers, excavators. If you're in front, beside, or behind, you're a target. Operators do not see everything, even with mirrors and cameras. Number 2, swing radius of excavators and cranes. Counterweights can swing out several feet beyond what workers expect. Boom lifts, buckets jerk. A moment of distraction equals impact. Number 3, suspended loads. Anything hanging from a boom or a crane can swing, drop, roll, or shift. Gravity will win every time. Number 4, power tools and nail guns. Fasteners can deflect and fire sideways. Wrenches can slip. Grinders can kick back. If the tool has a force behind it, there's a danger zone in front of it. Number 5, stored energy. Hydraulics, tensioned line, pressurized pipes, and compressed springs can release with explosive force. The danger isn't always obvious, but it's always there. Here are some ways to stay out of the line of fire. Number 1, establish eye contact. Before approaching any equipment, lock eyes with the operator. If you can't see them, they can't see you. Number 2, maintain a buffer zone. Stay back at least 10 feet from mobile equipment unless you're the designated spotter. Number 3, use taglines instead of hands. Never place your hands directly on a suspended load. A tagline lets you guide safely from a distance. Number 4, watch the swing radius. Stay outside marked swing zones for excavators and cranes. Counterweights will crush a person without slowing down. Number 5, never turn your back on moving equipment. Always face the hazard. If you aren't watching it, you can't react. Number 6, respect stored energy. Before loosening anything under pressure, stand to the side, not directly in front of it. Here are some dangerous habits we must break. Walking between equipment and fixed objects. Cutting across an equipment travel path. standing beside or under suspended loads, reaching into pinch points, riding the blind side of a truck or loaders. Assuming an operator sees you, most struck by injuries come from assumptions, and assumptions have no place on a job site. Now, supervisors, ensure designated walk paths are clear and enforced. Spotters are trained and consistent. Operators pause work if pedestrians approach. Swing areas, drop zones, and travel paths are marked. Crews understand that 1 second in the wrong spot is all it takes. The safest job site is the one where everyone respects the line of fire. In closing, the line of fire is unforgiving. It doesn't matter if the movement is slow or fast, intentional or accidental. If you're in the path, you'll lose. So remember, if it moves, it can hurt you. Stay clear, stay alert, and never stand where a machine, tool, or load is designated to go, because the best way to survive the line of fire is not to be in it. All right, boys and girls, that's my thoughts on the subject. I appreciate you stopping by, and I appreciate you watching. Make sure you give me the thumbs up down below to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to the channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature, and you'll be notified of new releases. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and share this video with associates and coworkers. And until we see each other again, look out for yourself, because you're number one. Look out for your coworkers and help ensure their safety. And most of all, have a grateful day. And I'll see you next time. Safety is all on you. It's all on you, man.